You've come to the right place if you ever wanted to know what robotics is. Robotics is all about using robots to do things that normally require humans. Think of it like a car factory. Cars are made by robots instead of people. Robots can also be used in space exploration to explore places people can't go. They collect data and send it back home so scientists can learn more about our universe. Robots are also used in healthcare, for example in surgeries. They allow doctors to operate on people with much greater precision than by hand, meaning better patient outcomes. Robotics is an incredibly important technology that will only become more widespread in the future. So no matter what you want to do when you're older, robotics will probably be there.